Explore the coolest electric bikes of 2026 with our detailed look at 10 standout models. We'll compare performance, price, ease of use, and durability. Find product links in the description and top comment. Let's dive in, starting with our first featured bike on the list. Our first standout is the electric dirt bike for teens and adults, designed for mountain off-road adventures. This power-packed bike features a 3,000-watt peak motor, delivering thrilling speeds up to 42 mph. With a removable 60-volt 27-amp-hour battery, you can enjoy a ride of over 80 miles on a single charge. The 20 by 4.0 fat tires provide stability and grip, ideal for tough terrains. Full hydraulic brakes and advanced suspension ensure a smooth and safe ride. This bike is perfect for thrill seekers looking for reliability and performance in one package. Next, we have the folding electric bike for adults and teens, perfect for urban commuting. It boasts a 400-watt peak motor with a max speed of 23 mph and a range of 25 miles. The compact 14-inch mini design makes it easy to carry and store, ideal for city dwellers. Equipped with a 36-volt 10-amp-hour battery, it's efficient for daily travel without frequent recharges. This bike is designed for convenience with quick folding capabilities for easy transport. It's a smart choice for those who need an efficient and portable commute solution. The third model is the Jason Romer ST e-bikes for adults, a versatile all-terrain option. It features a powerful 1,200-watt motor and a 528-watt weight removable battery, reaching speeds up to 28 mph. With a range of 40 to 62 miles, this bike is built for long-distance journeys. The 26-inch wheels and UL 2849 certification ensure safety and performance on various terrains. Ideal for both men and women, it combines style and functionality effortlessly. This bike is perfect for those seeking adventure with a balance of power and range. The fourth entry is the Stacy C brushless 20-drive electric balance bike, designed for kids aged 10 to 12. This model encourages young riders to develop balance and motor skills in a fun way. Its lightweight design and safety features make it a great starter bike for children. The bike is engineered to be durable and easy to handle, ensuring a safe learning experience. It's an excellent choice for parents looking to introduce their kids to electric biking. This bike combines fun, safety, and learning in one package, making it a must-have for young adventurers. Fifth on our list is the Jetson Bolt electric bike, a compact and versatile option for ages 13+. With foot pegs and an easy folding design, it offers convenience for on-the-go lifestyles. The built-in carrying handle and twist throttle make it user-friendly and practical. It reaches speeds of up to 15.5 mph with a range of up to 15 miles, perfect for short trips. Cruise control adds to the comfort, making it an ideal choice for casual riders. This bike is designed for those who prioritize portability and ease of use in urban environments. Our sixth pick is the Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket, a high-torque ride-on for kids aged 8 and up. This motocross-inspired bike offers speeds up to 14 mph, making it thrilling yet safe for young riders. Equipped with a 350 watts 24-volt motor, it's built for durability and performance on dirt tracks. The rear chain drive and large pneumatic tires provide excellent traction and control. Perfect for young motocross enthusiasts, it combines fun with a rugged design. This bike is a fantastic introduction to the world of off-road riding for kids. Seventh on our list is the Meroc Underdesk Elliptical, a unique seated exerciser for seniors. This portable machine allows leg exercise while sitting, offering 12 speed levels for varied intensity. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for home or office use without disturbing others. The remote control adds convenience, allowing easy adjustments to speed and resistance. It's a smart choice for seniors looking to maintain activity and improve circulation. This exerciser is a practical solution for those seeking low-impact seated workouts. Eighth is the IOSOM electric dirt bike, designed for teens 13 and older with a focus on outdoor fun. Featuring a 350-watt motor and a top speed of 15 mph, it's perfect for off-road adventures. The twist grip throttle and rear suspension provide a smooth and responsive ride. With features like a music horn, it adds an extra level of enjoyment to every ride. It's ideal for young riders looking for excitement and style in their outdoor activities. This bike combines performance with fun features, making it a great gift for adventurous teens. Ninth is the Fesacer electric pedal exercise bike, designed for seniors and those with limited mobility. This 2-in-1 motorized exerciser offers 20 speeds, ideal for rehabilitation and physical therapy. Its anti-spasm feature and leg support make it safe and effective for recovery exercises. Designed for knee and ankle post-surgery recovery, it promotes gentle and controlled movement. It's a valuable tool for improving mobility and strength in a safe, supportive manner. This exerciser is a thoughtful choice for anyone needing a reliable rehabilitation aid. Finally, we have the GoTrax electric scooter, an adult-friendly model with impressive specs. Equipped with a 500-watt motor, it offers 2 speed modes and a max speed of 20 mph. 10-inch tires and front suspension ensure a smooth ride even on rougher surfaces. Its durable aluminum alloy frame and foldable design make it both sturdy and portable. With a range of up to 38 miles, it's perfect for commuting or leisure rides. This scooter is ideal for those seeking a reliable and efficient transportation solution.